Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on installing tkinter in Python along with a simple code example. Title: Getting Started with tkinter in Python. Introduction. Tkinter is a standard GUI, graphical user interface, toolkit that comes bundled with Python. It allows you to create desktop applications with a graphical interface. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing tkinter and provide a basic code example to get you started. Step 1. Check if tkinter is installed. Before installing tkinter, let's check if it's already installed. Open a terminal or command prompt and type the following command. If tkinter is installed, you will see a blank tkinter window. If not, move on to the next step. Step 2. Install tkinter. Tkinter is typically included with Python installations. However, if you need to install it separately, you can use the package manager pip. Open a terminal or command prompt and enter the following command. This command will install tkinter on your Python environment. Step 3. Verify installation. To verify that tkinter is installed successfully, run the following command in the terminal or command prompt. You should see a blank tkinter window, confirming that tkinter is installed. Step 4. Create a simple tkinter application. Now, let's create a basic tkinter application to ensure everything is working. Create a new Python script, example my_tkinter_app.py, and add the following code. Save the file and run it using. A window should appear with a label and a button. Clicking the button will change the label text. Congratulations! You have successfully installed tkinter and created a simple tkinter application. Conclusion. This tutorial covered the installation process of tkinter and provided a basic code example to help you get started with GUI programming in Python. Explore tkinter's documentation for more advanced features and functionalities. ChatGPT